Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Nissan Titan XD with the Cummins turbo diesel. I've been wanting to drive one of these for the longest time. We got this one in on trade, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. So it's a 5-liter V8 Cummins diesel, which, if you know Ram and Dodge, you realize most Cummins that you'll see are the inline 6. So it's actually a pretty rare engine, at least in non-commercial vehicles. $555 pound-feet of torque, 340 horsepower, I believe. This one has aftermarket heated seats, SV leather pack, all right. Take this thing for a drive. Oh, diesels make the coolest little noises. I actually think this is my first Titan XD I've driven. I can't say off the top of my head because I've driven a few Titans, and it was about a year and a half ago since my last Titan. No, probably not that long, probably half a year to a year. Definitely this was the first diesel I ever saw in person. Just to show you how rare these are. What a truck. This thing's big. This is a big, beefy truck. I got stuck in my appraisal mindset. That's the way I go for appraisals. But what was just in front of us is the Q70S 5.6. Those are dumb rare. So I kind of got lost and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That was actually one of our service techs driving that. But I was like, oh my gosh, that's a Q70 5.6. Oh no, that's a truck with big boom. Stop it. Put it to tow mode. See if it downshifts under braking, which it should. Oh yeah. Spring allergies are awful, guys. Once it hits 50 degrees, man, spring allergies are just non-stop for me. It's awful. That was the happiest man I've ever seen. That guy had the biggest grin on his face. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. What a cool truck. I'm glad I drove one of these now, because this is really a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.